Sarah didn't grow up thinking she would fall in love with crochet. To her, crochet was something older women did on quiet evenings while talking about the past. She wanted modern things, fast things, fashion trends, social media, big dreams in a loud world. Crochet felt slow, and slow, she believed, meant boring. That belief lasted until the year everything around her seemed to move too fast. University pressure, financial stress, friendships changing, endless scrolling on her phone comparing her life to everyone else's highlight reel. She felt behind, anxious, and strangely empty. One afternoon, she visited her grandmother in the village. The house was peaceful, no constant notifications, no city noise, just birds, wind, and time stretching gently. Her grandmother sat outside under a mango tree, a ball of mustard yellow yarn resting in her lap. "What are you making, Grandma?" Sarah asked. "A table mat," her grandmother replied without looking up. "Come and sit." Sarah hesitated. "I don't know how." "You don't know yet," her grandmother corrected softly. That was the first lesson. Not knowing is not permanent. Her grandmother placed a crochet hook in her hand. The metal felt cool and unfamiliar. The yarn was softer than she expected. She watched carefully as her grandmother demonstrated a chain stitch. Wrap the yarn, pull through. Don't rush it. Let your hands feel it. Sarah tried. The first chain was tight. The second was loose. The third twisted oddly. She sighed. "This is hard." Her grandmother chuckled. "Life is hard too, but we still build it one day at a time." They sat there for hours. No pressure, no competition, just yarn moving through fingers. By sunset, Sarah had a short, uneven chain in her hand. It wasn't impressive, but it was hers. That night, she lay in bed thinking about how peaceful she had felt. No anxiety, no racing thoughts, just focus. When she returned to the city, she bought her own crochet hook and 3 balls of yarn, cream, sage green, and dusty pink. That was the beginning. Now let's talk about crochet ideas that can transform not only your wardrobe and home, but also your mindset. First, crochet fashion pieces. Crochet crop tops are one of the most popular ideas right now. They are stylish, breathable, and customizable. You can create simple square neck designs or intricate floral patterns. Neutral tones give minimalist elegance. Bold colors create statement energy. Pair a handmade crochet crop top with high-waisted jeans and simple sandals, and you instantly elevate your look. The beauty is that no one else in the world has your exact piece. Crochet cardigans are timeless. Oversized, chunky cardigans for cozy evenings, lightweight, lacy cardigans for layering over dresses. You can play with sleeve length, button details, and texture patterns. Even major retailers like Zara and H&M frequently feature crochet-inspired collections, proving that handmade aesthetics are no longer niche, they are mainstream and trending. Crochet dresses are another powerful idea. From beach cover-ups to bodycon silhouettes, crochet dresses combine delicacy with boldness. A well-designed crochet dress hugs the body while allowing breathability. It can be romantic, edgy, or effortlessly chic, depending on yarn choice and pattern. Sarah's first big project was a crochet midi dress. It took her 3 weeks. She nearly gave up twice. The stitches weren't consistent at first. She had to unravel entire sections. But when she finally wore it to a small birthday gathering, someone asked, "Where did you buy that?" She smiled and said, "I didn't." That moment changed her confidence. Crochet bags are another brilliant idea. Tote bags are practical and stylish. You can reinforce the base to make them sturdy for groceries or books. Add leather straps for structure. Add lining for durability. Mini handbags with bamboo or wooden handles create a chic, vintage vibe. Crossbody crochet bags with fringe details bring boho energy. Platforms like Etsy are filled with creators selling handmade crochet bags, showing that this craft can turn into real income. And income brings us to another powerful idea: crochet as business. Sarah began posting her projects on Instagram just for fun. She didn't expect much, but slowly followers grew. People started asking for custom orders. "Can you make this in lavender? Do you ship? How much?" What started as therapy became opportunity.
Crochet baby items are also incredibly meaningful. Baby blankets made with soft, hypoallergenic yarn, tiny booties shaped like animals, delicate bonnets with ribbon ties. Handmade baby items carry emotional value. Parents cherish them. They become keepsakes passed down through generations. Crochet home decor ideas are endless. Pillow covers can instantly transform a living room. Textured stitches add depth and personality. You can create geometric patterns for modern homes or floral motifs for vintage charm. Crochet table runners bring elegance to dining spaces. They turn simple tables into artistic displays. Wall hangings are especially trending. Large mandala-style crochet art pieces create beautiful focal points. Combine neutral yarn with wooden rods for a minimalist boho look. Crochet plant hangers are another popular idea. They lift plants off the floor and add dimension to rooms. They are simple to make, yet incredibly stylish. When Sarah gifted her mother a set of crochet cushion covers, her mother's reaction surprised her. "You made our house warmer," she said softly. That was the second lesson. Crochet carries emotion. Every stitch holds time, patience, and intention. Now let's explore crochet accessories. Headbands are simple, beginner-friendly projects. They add flair to everyday hairstyles. You can experiment with twist designs or button closures. Bucket hats are trending heavily. Crochet bucket hats blend retro vibes with modern street style. They are especially popular among young creatives and influencers on TikTok. Scarves are timeless. Lightweight scarves for mild weather, chunky infinity scarves for colder days. Fingerless gloves combine practicality and style. Crochet jewelry is a unique niche. Thread crochet earrings are delicate and artistic. Add beads for sparkle. Create bold statement pieces or minimalist designs. Crochet chokers and bracelets can complement handmade outfits beautifully. Now let's talk about crochet two-piece sets. Matching top and skirt sets, bralette and shorts combinations, coordinated lounge sets. These pieces are eye-catching and fashionable. They showcase advanced skills and creativity. Crochet swimwear has also gained popularity. Carefully lined and designed for support, crochet bikinis and one-pieces are bold summer statements. Sarah once challenged herself to create a burnt orange crochet two-piece set. It took patience and precise measurements. When she wore it on vacation, strangers complimented her. That was the third lesson. Crochet shifts identity. You stop being just a consumer of fashion. You become a creator. For beginners, starting small is key. Practice chain stitches, single crochet, double crochet. Learn tension control. Mistakes are part of growth. Uneven edges, progress. Twisted rows, learning. The beauty of crochet is that you can unravel and redo. Life doesn't always give second chances. Crochet does. Amigurumi or crochet toys are magical ideas too. Small stuffed animals, cartoon-inspired dolls, miniature food items. Creating three-dimensional figures from simple stitches feels like bringing imagination to life. Crochet blankets deserve special attention. Granny square blankets are classics. Each square can be a different color, creating vibrant patchwork designs, or stick to one color for elegant simplicity. Chunky yarn blankets work up faster and create luxurious texture. During a stressful semester, Sarah crocheted a blanket row by row. Each evening, she completed one section. When she finished, she realized something important. She had built something beautiful during chaos. That was the fourth lesson. Crochet heals. The repetitive motion calms the mind. It reduces anxiety. It encourages mindfulness. In a world obsessed with speed, crochet teaches patience. It also promotes sustainability. Fast fashion fades quickly. Handmade pieces last longer. When you create something yourself, you value it more. You repair instead of discard. Crochet connects generations. Grandmothers teaching grandchildren, friends hosting crochet nights, online communities sharing patterns and encouragement. It builds relationships. You can also explore advanced crochet ideas. Crochet rugs add warmth to floors. Use durable yarn for strength. Crochet lamp slaves protect devices while showcasing style. Crochet phone pouches are practical and customizable. Crochet book covers add personality to journals and planners. Crochet slippers combine comfort with creativity. Crochet lampshades create soft, artistic lighting effects. Crochet market bags are eco-friendly alternatives to plastic. The possibilities are limitless. As Sarah's skills improved, she began designing her own patterns. She experimented with color blocking, she mixed textures. She realized crochet wasn't old-fashioned, it was timeless. Timeless means it adapts. Timeless means it survives trends. Timeless means it always finds new hands to carry it forward. One evening, she sat beside her grandmother again, both crocheting quietly. "Grandma, I think crochet saved me." Her grandmother smiled gently. "No, you saved yourself. Crochet just gave your hands something to do while your heart healed." That was the final lesson. Crochet is more than yarn. It is confidence stitched into fabric. It is patience looped into patterns. It is creativity made visible.